Spring is the perfect time to review your entire IT environment, from hardware to software to user access. Look for outdated hardware nearing the end of its life cycle, underused software licenses, and redundant systems that no longer align with your workflows. Remember, Windows 10 support ends in October 2025, so plan accordingly. The Active Directory, or its equivalent, is crucial for network security and efficiency. Remove inactive user accounts to eliminate vulnerabilities and verify permissions to ensure users only access what they need. Document all changes to avoid future confusion. A clean directory is not just about organization. It's a critical layer of protection against breaches that every organization should prioritize. With hybrid and remote work still prevalent, your network may need a tune-up. Upgrade your virtual private network to ensure it's secure and scalable. Review bandwidth usage to identify bottlenecks and enable secure file sharing with encrypted tools. Also, evaluate third-party vendors to ensure they prioritize security, protecting your data from potential breaches. Backing up data is essential, but testing those backups is equally important. Perform a full restore to verify your backup system's functionality. Document the time it takes to restore critical systems and evaluate if improvements are needed. Remember, a backup is only valuable if it works when disaster strikes, so be prepared for unexpected events. Cybersecurity strategies must evolve with hackers' tactics. Review endpoint protection for all devices, including those used remotely. Update your incident response plan and train your team on the latest threats. Invest in advanced monitoring tools to detect threats early. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process, so stay informed and adapt to changing best practices. Spring cleaning your IT systems ensures your business runs efficiently and securely. By taking these steps, you'll reduce downtime, boost productivity, and stay ahead of evolving cyber threats. Contact CD Technology to schedule a free network assessment for your business. 865-909-7606.